Today I would like to show about the how to make the couple box in Excel. Now I open the Excel. I will put some data in this one. Item code example ITM 01 ITM 02 like this, and I want to have the combo box for select all these items in the Excel sheet, so I have to put in this cell, then I put the data validation, then have to select list and put source. I will select all this, and then all the data in here become like combo box for select. Yes, now it finished.